Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am making the ultimate Easter treat for you today, and this video is brought to you in collaboration with Waitrose. This involves hot cross buns and lots of chocolate. I am making delicious hot cross bun cream cheese chocolate toastie. Oh yes, you heard that right. So I'm using Waitrose's chocolate and orange hot cross buns. Oh, they smell so orangey. Just going to take one of the buns, just slice it in half. And I have got some soft cheese here. I spread some of this on one side of the chocolate bun. And I'm using some lovely 75% dark Madagascar chocolate. Hot cross buns are kind of like for me, they're kind of like a signal that Easter is coming, because as soon as you spot them on the shelves in the supermarket, you know that Easter is around the corner. And these days you can get such amazing flavor combinations. I love them basic as well, but right now my favorite is the chocolate orange, because it's really orangey and of course it's got chocolate in it. Grate this. I'm using, like I said, dark chocolate. You can use milk chocolate if you want, or white chocolate if you want, though the combination of dark chocolate with cream cheese is obviously amazing. Beautiful. And I'm just going to put some of it on top of the cream cheese. Gonna put a little bit more cream cheese on the other slice. Sandwich this. I'm just going to use some unsalted butter. Now I'm going to cook this on medium to low heat, so that the heat will help melt the chocolate inside, and a bit of butter on the other side as well. And after 2 minutes we turn this over. Oh yes. Two more minutes on the other side, and yes, it's ready. I'm so excited about this because it really is a treat. Beautiful. Wow. Can you hear that? Okay, moment of truth. Crispy on the outside. And look at that. Oh, wow. Can I just say that this smells incredible? What's not to like? Lots of butter on the toast, cream cheese, chocolate, and hot cross buns. which happen to be flavored with orange and chocolate. There you go. That is incredible. That is a treat and a half. Oh, beautiful. The great thing is that this is not too sweet because nothing is too sugary. I use the dark chocolate, the cream cheese has no sweetness in it. There's slight sweetness in the hot cross buns, and I used unsalted butter. So it's rich, but it's not sickly sweet, which is what makes it so delicious. I really hope that you will give this a go. This is stunning. Obviously, it takes a couple of minutes to make, and you can get the kids involved. If you want to, you can even use any of your leftover chocolate eggs, if you have any lying around. You can grate those and use them in this toastie as well. But whatever you do, hope you will try this. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you back here very soon. Come on.